你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin video lesson. In today's video lesson, I'm going to give you some vocabulary and teach you how to use them. So without further ado, let's get started. 美 This doesn't mean beautiful, although it sounds the same, but this is a different character which means different meaning. So 美 here is each or every. 美 Okay, if you want to say each day, you say 每天 or you could say 天天 as in every day 天天 or each day 每天 Each year or every year, you say 每年 Each year, every year. But the tricky thing is, the two words here, 天 and 年, they don't need a counting word. They don't need a measure word, which means that if you say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you don't need a measure word. You could just say 一年 1 year, 2年 2 years, 3年 3 years. Same goes to day, 天. You don't need a measure word for 天, so you could say 一天 1 day, 2天 2 days, 3天 3 days. With other words, you do need a measure word. For example, 月 means month, right? So if you say 1 month, it's not 一月. No, because 一月 means January. You have to say 一个月 1 month. And 2 months is 两个月 or 两个月. Okay, so 2 months 两个月, 3 months 三个月. So you do need 个 as the measure word because 月 is the noun. So the way you use 美, here it is, 美 measure word and the noun. And this is how you use 美. The exceptions are day and year, remember. Okay, so let's use 美 in a sentence. For example, you could say, every day I sleep. 我每天睡觉. So 睡觉 is to sleep, right? 我每天睡觉. I sleep every day. Or you could say, I every month go to Beijing. Okay, so I go to Beijing every month. In this case, you could say, 我每个月. See, you do need a 个 as the measure word. So 每个月 every month. 我每个月去北京 every month I go to Beijing. 我每个月去北京. So this is how you use 每 each and every. Of course, you could say each person, each student, each teacher. Let's say that. I like each student. I like each student. 我喜欢每个学生. 我喜欢 like 每个 each, every 学生 student. So you see the measure word is 个 right here for student 学生. 我喜欢每个学生. Or you can put 每 at the beginning of the sentence, and then you could say each teacher in the school is very good. Okay, so in this case, you would say 学校的每位老师都很好. Wow, this is a very long sentence. Okay, so let's say again. 学校的学校 means school. 学校的每位老师 each teacher. So you see, 位 is the measure word for people. Well, not just for teacher. 位 is the measure word for people, but it's a formal, respectful form. So if you want to refer to people and want to be formal and respectful, and then you use 位。学校的每位老师都很好。So what is 都 here? Well, this is just to emphasize that each teacher in the school, they are all very good. So in Mandarin, we do sometimes use 都 to emphasize each and every of them. Even we had the word 每, each and every in our sentence. So you just have to remember that as a whole set. 学校的每位老师都很好. So literal translation is the teachers in school, every teachers in school are all very good. 学校的每位老师都很好. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. So you see only one word 每, you learn a different sentences and different usage for one word, just one word 每. And if you like this video lesson, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to practice how to use 每, you can write your sentence down below in the comment. I'll make sure to check your sentence. And also, if you really like this video lesson and you want to see the whole collection of this vocabulary HSK1 training video lesson, and I do have a complete whole collection of this video lesson, I share it on SKILLSHARE. So if you want to see the whole collection, please hit the link down below to SKILLSHARE. Until then, I will see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。